Gun Putty Industries is a leading manufacturer of welding electrodes, with their flagship brand G9 Power. Their welding electrodes are known for their high-quality performance and durability, with a commitment to innovation and excellence. Gun Putty Industries has established itself as a trusted name in the welding industry. For a more in-depth look at their welding electrodes and their manufacturing process, you can watch a 2-minute video on Gun Putty Industries' website. The video showcases their state-of-the-art facilities and the strict quality control measures they adhere to. For inquiries or to place an order, you can contact Gun Putty Industries at +919 81480 6450. Their knowledgeable and friendly staff will be happy to assist you with any questions you may have about their products. In conclusion, Gun Putty Industries is a reliable choice for all your welding electrode needs. Their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, whether you are a professional welder or a hobbyist, sets them apart in the industry. G9 Power welding electrodes from Gun Putty Industries are an excellent choice for your welding projects.